Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of automobiles and uncover the mysteries behind some of the most luxurious vehicles on the planet. Today our focus is on Rolls-Royce, the epitome of automotive opulence. Join us, we delve into the intricate details and unparalleled craftsmanship that makes Rolls-Royce cars the ultimate symbol of luxury and prestige. Rolls-Royce has long been synonymous with extravagance, refinement and exclusivity. Rolls-Royce has long been synonymous with extravagance, refinement, and exclusivity. This iconic British marque has catered to the world's elite, crafting bespoke automobiles that embody the pinnacle of automotive excellence. With a heritage steeped in a tradition and commitment to uncompromising quality, Rolls-Royce continues to set the standard for luxury motoring. At the heart of Rolls-Royce lies an unwavering dedication to craftsmanship. Each vehicle is meticulously handcrafted by skilled artisans at the marquee state-of-art manufacturing facilities, from the fine leather upholstery to the exquisite wood veneers and hand-polished metals. Accents every detail in meticulously crafted the perfection. This commitment to artisanal craftsmanship imbues Rolls-Royce cars with an unparalleled sense of luxury and refinement. One of the hallmarks of Rolls-Royce ownership is the opportunity for bespoke customization. Discerning clientele can personalize every aspect of their vehicle, from exterior paint finishes to interior upholstery, to create a truly unique and bespoke masterpiece. With an extensive array of options and materials available, Rolls-Royce ensures that each car reflects the individual taste and preferences of its owner, further enhancing its exclusivity and allure. Rolls-Royce cars are renowned for their timeless and iconic design language, characterized by graceful lines, bold proportions, and a commanding presence. Each Rolls-Royce exudes an aura of sophistication and elegance. The iconic spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, the signature Pantheon grille, and the distinctive coach doors are just a few of the design elements that distinguish Rolls-Royce cars from the rest. Every core and cantor is meticulously sculpted to create a visual masterpiece that optimizes automotive luxury, exude old charm and craftsmanship. They are also equipped with the cutting-edge technology and innovation, from advanced safety features to state-of-art infotainment. Rolls-Royce seamlessly integrates modern technology into the vehicles without compromising on luxury or refinement. The result is a driving experience that is effortless. As it is exhilarating, setting Rolls-Royce apart as a leader in automotive innovation. Despite their stately demeanor, Rolls-Royce cars offer a formidable performance capabilities. Powered by potent and refined engines, Rolls-Royce vehicles deliver effortless acceleration, serene cruising, and impeccable ride comfort. Whether traversing city streets or embarking on ground journeys, Rolls-Royce cars provide an unparalleled driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Ultimately, what sets Rolls-Royce cars apart is their unrivaled aura of exclusivity and prestige. Rolls-Royce cars are coveted symbols of wealth, success, and status. Owning a Rolls-Royce is not merely about acquiring a mode of transportation. It is about gaining entry into the exclusive world of luxury and refinement that few are privileged to experience. In conclusion, Rolls-Royce cars epitomize the zenith of automotive luxury, blending unparalleled craftsmanship, bespoke customization, iconic design, cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and exclusivity to create a truly peerless driving experience. As a symbol of wealth, status, and prestige, Rolls-Royce cars continue to captivate and inspire enthusiasts around the world, reaffirming their status as the ultimate expression of automotive opulence. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Rolls-Royce. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content exploring the fascinating realm of automotive luxury. Until next time,